Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what exactly are those twinkling lights? Today, we are diving into the cosmos to discover what stars really are, from their fiery cores to their place in the vast universe. Stars begin their lives in massive clouds of gas and dust called nebulae, also known as stellar nurseries. Gravity pulls this gas together until the center becomes so dense and hot it ignites, and a star is born. A star shines because of nuclear fusion, a process deep in its core where hydrogen atoms are smashed together to form helium. This releases an enormous amount of energy, light, and heat that travels across the universe. Our own sun is a star, just our closest one. From Earth, stars look like tiny points of light, but most are huge balls of hot gas, much bigger than planets. There are billions of stars in our galaxy alone, and billions more across the universe. Stars are the building blocks of galaxies, and they help create the elements that make up planets, and even us. Stars don't live forever. Depending on their size, they may live for millions to trillions of years. Big stars end in spectacular explosions called supernovae, spreading heavy elements throughout space. So next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, every star has its own story, and we are literally made from the remnants of ancient stars. How amazing is that?